So you have tight lats right here, super tight. What is the best solution to fix it? Of course, we gotta stretch it out. Absolutely not. You should know me by now. There's absolutely no reason why you should be stretching any muscle in your body. There's always a better solution. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. Let's go. So I was just like you a few years ago. I was not able to lift my hands in the air and wave like just don't care. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, let me stop that. I was not able to do that. I was not able to lift my arms up because my lats were so tight. The problem is, why were they tight? Now, if you watch any of my other videos, you know that they're tight because they are strong, which means that there's a weak opposing muscle. So what is this weak opposing muscle? So if the lats does this to your arm, so what does this? The shoulders. So let me tell you a little story. What happened was one day I was working out with my friends and we were doing shoulder presses. And I was realizing, yo, there's something wrong here. I'm not lifting as much weight as I thought I would be able to lift. So I dropped the weight and then it was still hard for me. And I dropped it until I had nothing in my hands. It was still hard. So I felt my shoulders and I realized, hold on, isn't it supposed to be flexing? It's working. That's what's working, right? It felt like pudding. It felt like straight pudding. So when I went back to my room, what I did was I just did shoulder raises without any weights, and I found that as I kept on doing it, my shoulders starting to engage more, and the more my shoulders started to engage, the more my lats started to relax. So I kept on doing it, and the next day I went to inside the gym, and lo and behold, I was able to lift a lot more weight than the other day. So basically what I'm saying is, if your body is not balanced, neuromuscularly balanced, it's fighting against each other, okay? So my lats was fighting against my shoulder movement. It's my shoulders trying to bring it up, my lats, because it was stronger, is able to pull it down. So it wasn't able to, my shoulders weren't able to activate like it was supposed to. Now, what is this exercise that will release the lats forever? Hope I didn't bore you too much with that story, but here we go. The story, the exercise that will help you release your lats forever is the shoulder raise. That's it, shoulder raises. Or you can call it shoulder presses or whatever the case may be. You do not need dumbbells, you don't need anything, because this is all about neuromuscular activation, okay? So it goes like this. We do 3 sets or 5 sets of 20. Up in the air. Remember, you always relax your fingers, relax your toes, so your whole body is relaxed and learns the movement. Alright, so the better you get at the movement, the more you notice that you have a strong contraction in your shoulders, in your shoulder muscles, your deltoids, and your lats is completely relaxing. Alright, so if you have super lats is this, by the way, like I used to have, it's gonna be kind of difficult at first, but keep working through it. The more your shoulders activates, the more your lats will relax. 3 sets, if you're really tight, please do 5 sets of 20. If not so much, you can do 3 sets of 20. I'll do them every other day until you get the results that you want. Guaranteed, this will help you. I promise. Hello? Before I used to be like this. I'm dead serious. I used to be like this. But now I can lift my hands all up in the air because my shoulders are working like how they're supposed to. That's reciprocal inhibition, guys. That goes for the rest of your body. Now, the next video, we're going to talk about the hamstrings. Alright, there's 2 reasons why your hamstrings are tight. We're going to talk about it, and we're going to fix it. Alright? That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the information. If you like what you heard, if you like what you saw, click that like button, guys. Click that like button and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Ultimate Self, my name is Manny. I'm out.